everyone, welcome back to Craft Time. I hope you liked that intro to this video. So as you can guess, we are doing a coloring drawing contest and there's only one winner and you can draw it on paper and everything that I listed on there. And then down in the description there's an email where you can take a picture of your drawing, send it to me, but you need to list how you make it, like the materials that you used to make it, and you need to tell me what the picture is about, and then I will put it in this slideshow. I'll look at it and I'll decide who's the winner. There's only one winner, but the 3 top pictures will still get a shout out. Alright, and also in the email, be sure to include your first and last name, and then on the slideshow, you pick a name, not your real name, but you pick a name that you would like to be known as, and put it and send it to me, and then I will put that name in the slideshow instead of your real name. Okay, so let's get started. Today we are making a paper towel roll little guy, or you can say a girl, but I'm gonna make a guy. So for this craft, you're gonna need 2 yellow pipe cleaners, 2 oval-shaped googly eyes, 1 pom-pom. You can make it yourself. I'll show you how to make a pom-pom. And Elmer's glue. I'm just gonna use a toothpick because this bottle is so hard to get the glue out. Was going like this, so I'm just gonna use a toothpick. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna want to do is take your cute little googly eyes and put them on. So pick a side of your paper towel roll that you'd like to put on. There's your cute and adorable eyes. Okay, now for making the pom-pom. So making a pom-pom is actually really, really easy. You just grab some yarn. So grab some yarn. And then, okay, now that our little hair is on, we are going to use these cute little pipe cleaners and make hands and feet. But before we do that, again, you need some yarn. So if you're making a boy, I would advise you use red yarn. If you're making a girl, you can use pink or purple yarn. But of course, feel free to make any color of clothing that you would like your little guy's paper towel to have. So I'm making a boy, so I'm going to take some red. And I am now just going to put a little bit of glue, so I'm going to take glue again. To take that red yarn I just cut, and wrap it around the little guy, just like this, and the glue will help it stick. Done with the piece, you take a Q-tip, put glue on it, and then like you did with the hair, you just try to put it onto the take a lot of glue, and you literally just glue it. You can glue it with the other yarn pieces. That's what I find is most effective, because when you glue it to the other yarn pieces, then it kind of sticks to that, which makes it stick to the other thing. Okay, now that's his cute little shirt. Now I'm going to take some blue yarn, cut it, and make cute little pants for this little guy. There's the first part of your little guy. He's wearing his clothing and all that. It's good. Don't think we'd want to see him after his shower. So now we're going to cut this pipe cleaner in half. These two are going to be what make up his arms. Now that you have cut your pipe cleaners, you need to make sure they're even. Okay, if one's longer than the other, cut that one here. Okay, so as close as you can to even. Now, you're going to take it around the body. So just like this. So you're going to go like that around the body. See here? In behind, you're going to tuck it behind here, behind in the yarn, and then you're going to make there you go. There's your cute little, and then you this right here. There is your cute little arm. One cute little arm. Same with the other one. Under, up, over. And then this goes like this. There you go. Now he has movable and workable arms. See? Now with the legs. Take another pipe cleaner. Well, take the other pipe cleaner. Cut it in half. Make sure they're even. And then, now you are going to carefully slide it up the pants, because, well, your legs go in your pants. If your legs aren't in your pants, how do you wear pants? So you're going to stick them up here, just like this. So it makes him look like he's really wearing pants. Isn't that cool? This may be a sticky job because the glue is surrounded in glue, but now you can see why you put the glue on. It's so that you can so so that these will stay. Okay. So now that your legs are in, they look kind of funny, as you might say. You need to cut them so they look normal. Normal as you can get. There you go. There's your little guy. You want one leg a bit smaller? You can have that contrast. There you go, and your little guy is done. There's his hair, his red shirt, and if you want to, just to add something really cool, you can take a black marker and draw a cute little smile right there. It's just cute. You can add eyebrows or whatever. Or little cheeks. Now you have this cute, adorable little guy that you can take along and play with. Alright, so you guys, in the next video, we are going to take votes and see what name fits best for this little character. From now on, this little character will be known as our craft time craft creator. So he'll always be sitting here watching us do our crafts and giving us tips. So let me know what you think we should call this little guy down in the comments or with my business email, or whenever, if you decide to do the contest, the drawing contest, you can send me what you think his name should be down below. And in the next video, we'll take votes. And in the video after that, we will have his official name. For now, I'm just going to call him my assistant. Okay, well, I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe down below and turn on post notifications and let me know how you liked this craft, and take a picture and send it to me of your little toilet paper friend. And then also don't forget about the drawing contest. The sign up will be ending next Monday. So this coming Monday, it's July 18th. So this coming Monday, the sign up will be cut off. I will begin starting to vote, and then the next video that week will be the results. So I hope you enter that, and I hope